the game? What's going on? We back. Y'all see what's going on? We got the new spicy sandwich. Y'all already know who it come from. McDonald's. Y'all know y'all gotta have that tea. I don't even think they gave me a straw. Y'all see what that is? Yes, sir. There's the caramel at the bottom. Ooh, that gets straight to your tongue. Fries. Well, we finna just review this. Hopefully this is better than that Popeyes one. Popeyes was good, but y'all see, that was epic fail. I kept saying McDonald's, so this was calling my name. We're just gonna get straight into it. Let y'all see this masterpiece. Yes, sir. Let y'all get a whiff of that, YouTube. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Got a little sauce. I don't know what the sauce is, but got a pickle, 2 pickles. I'm the king. I should have got 4. You wanna see what's under there? Ain't nothing under it. But it says spicy. We're gonna see. Try it out. See what McDonald's talking about. Y'all know y'all gotta angle your burger before you actually bite into it. You know, you gotta do like the commercial do. You gotta find the good side and eat that. They really did give me a straw though. That's crazy. I said, it's a good sound. It's better than the Popeye one to me. Way better. Spice is good on it. The meat. And you know the pickles just add the dab on it. And you know, they put the pickle on it. A good sound. Also, everybody, you know, wipe my face first. I thank everybody. I appreciate everybody that subscribed. Right now we're at 80 subscribers. We're almost at the goal of our first 100. And when we get to 100, I got a special challenge I'm gonna do. So make sure y'all keep sharing these videos, keep liking. When we get to 100, I got a special challenge. Also, y'all know y'all gotta get the fries. It's the best fries in the world. I'm telling nobody something. If y'all know some fries better, comment that down below. I'm gonna try them out. Cause these right here, when they fresh, hot off the thing, with the salt in them, I'm gonna slap them on 2 times. Y'all get another look at that. Chicken sandwich. McDonald's, they did good on this one. Y'all like my background? Y'all see my background? Light it real good. It look good, don't it? Yeah. Also, I know a lot of y'all that subscribe who already a tipster. Y'all gotta get down with the Gators, man. Y'all see that? We in the swamp right now, baby. I know y'all seen that game last night too. Virginia Tech ain't won them. Also, y'all, go to my playlist. There's challenges. I watch my challenges. Tell me how I'm doing. I got some more challenges coming, some more food reviews. Like I said, stay tuned for that series, Hot Food, Family and Friends. I'm gonna start updating that more too. That's a good sandwich. Y'all gotta hit that sweet tea now. The best sweet tea. Second to Popeye. The Publix anyway, huh? It's something new at Popeyes. I just said Popeyes. They're calling me again. There's something over there. Something over there. Also, if y'all wondering what's playing on the iPad right now, that's The Martin Show. The best sitcom ever created. Hands down. If y'all don't think so, comment down below. Martin is the best sitcom ever created. Ever. All caps. No cap. Yep. It's a Barnett Hill episode. Oh my God. That's funny. Funniest ever. Crazy. But this time I give it a 10. Give it a 10. This is definitely a 10. This right here. I don't even know what that was. Y'all tell me what that was now. That was the happy dance. And right here is good. Also, comment down below what foods y'all want to see me do, what foods y'all want to see me review. And also let me know how your reviews can be better, like what I should be doing, what I shouldn't be doing. Right now we're just on the fly with it. Fly with it. Also, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but they watching other YouTubers in the back. I think they're watching AJ game, Jack and Lex. So I'm just letting y'all know y'all can hear that. Also, these fries, they kind of stale, y'all. I had this food DoorDash before I actually did the video. So, and then I took a little minute to actually do the video, start the video. So, the food ain't fresh as it can be, but it's still good. Cause I don't know how the fries actually look on the camera. Y'all probably can see them better than me. Y'all probably looking like, ooh, look at his fries. Them fries all dry and guess what? I'm still gonna eat them. I paid for them. I'm still gonna eat them. Y'all gotta get one of these, man. Extra caramel. Put extra caramel in there. If they don't do that, but don't get the espresso. Don't get the espresso. But yeah, shout out to McDonald's. This sandwich is A1. Y'all already know that cheese. This the hood cheese. This is the sweetest cheese besides Polish. But they gave it to me without straw. So yeah, man. That was a review. We just reviewed the McDonald's spicy chicken sandwich. It was good. It was real good, you know. If y'all want to be a part of the TIPSTER game, guess what? Y'all almost close. Y'all already watching the video. Y'all only got a couple more steps to do. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That's very important. I stress that every video. Hit that notification bell. When it open up, it's gonna go to the top. You hit all. Then when it go ding, 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 you ain't gotta look for me, because I'm gonna find you. It's gonna come straight to your phone. All you gotta do, pull it down, tap on. Listen, man, it's that easy. You spend all day on the phone anyhow. Why you making it complicated? It's easy. You know what I'm saying? I keep trying to tell y'all, man. Make sure y'all do that, man. We out, gang. Woo!